the right. The section, high on the pass. Low brake cross, approaching center point. Each pile will perform an individual brake turn and exit the pipeline in a separate direction. 50 degrees in section. Ladies and gentlemen, driver sides, double, tuck over roll. Will roll his aircraft 270 degrees in ripple fashion. Take separation and rejoin Commander McWhirter in that diamond formation. Delta roll. All 5 women maintaining position on the leader as they roll 360 degrees over center point. I need to know things are gonna look up. 'Cause I feel this drowning in the Spending 98 years of naval aviation, the 2019 takes a great deal of pride, including Navy and Marine Corps pilots, maintenance crews and support personnel everywhere. From the left, the Blue Angels, 2009. Based upon naval aviators, that they will land their aircraft on a ship at sea, whether it be a tactical jet, upper-power-driven aircraft, or one of our helicopters. Each requires skill which the naval aviator must master. The 6 demonstration pilots you have been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women in blue uniforms are necessary to perform each of these demonstrations. As the aircraft taxi back, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the Blue Angel maintenance crew. Command Master Chief Eric Hodge from Chester, Pennsylvania. Maintenance Master Chief Jerry Welch from Bangor, Michigan. Maintenance Chief Glenn Kildare from New York, New York. And David Wenzel from Vernon, Connecticut. Crew Coordinator Victor Munoz from El Paso, Texas. Crew Chief number 1, Vincent Dunhill Cooper from Denver, Colorado. First Mate, Ryan Motor from Glen Gardner, New Jersey. Crew Chief number 2, Andrew Kepler from Rochester Hills, Michigan. First Mate, Rodolfo Noriega from Brownsville, Texas. Crew Chief number 3, Michael Fink from Springfield, Ohio. First Mate, Travis Simpson from Edina, Minnesota. Crew Chief number 4, Brian Chaffee from Latham, New York. First Mate, Chris Connolly from Bedford, New York. Crew Chief number 5, Patrick Webb from Alexandria, Virginia. First Mate, Mark Williams from Melbourne, Florida. Crew Chief number 6, Corey Keller from Wichita, Kansas. First Mate, Al Elawali from Mohammedia, Morocco. Crew Chief number 7, Austin Armstrong from Clay, Alabama. Runway Alert Crew, Christopher Clausen from Chicago, Illinois. Richard Fender from Attica, Indiana. Justin Marsh from Tracy, California. John Jasinski from Cleveland, Ohio. And Lamont Melvin from Saginaw, Michigan. Quality Assurance Representative Crystal Thom from Millville, New Jersey. Aerospace Medicine Technician Michael Horning from Niceville, Florida. Public Affairs Representative Jennifer Blake from Arden, North Carolina. Video Technician Wayne Walter from Mountain Lake, Minnesota. Logistics Support Representative Carlos Toliergos from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Maintenance Control Representative Kelly Price from Akron, Ohio. Our support crew Suzanne Stridle from Middletown, New Jersey. The Blue Angels will be turning into the parking area momentarily. After completing a short maintenance debrief, some pilots will be coming to the ground line to answer any questions you may have concerning today's performance as they deplane from their aircraft. I would like to take one final opportunity to introduce the 6 pilots you have been watching perform here this afternoon.